6:47. Let's check in with Storm Tracker meteorologist Carson Meredith on what's going to be another nice day. No rain, but
a little wind. But you know what? I thought March was about the wind. We're in May now.
Yeah, and the wind keeps on howling.
Yeah.
It's going to be even more so today than what we saw yesterday. Remember, we have that wind advisory starts around 11 this morning and goes all the way through the afternoon. As we look at what to expect today, you notice this morning there's not much of a breeze. You'll notice it as you step outside, but it's not blustery just yet. It's a cool morning. We've got temperatures in the 40s in most spots. But this afternoon in particular is when those winds will be at their highest. I'll break down those wind gusts hour by hour in a moment. But for the afternoon, outside of that wind, it's going to be a very sunny day, maybe a few cumulus clouds popping up, that's all. And this evening will be nice and quiet too. Temperatures in the 40s, we mentioned on the Skycam network, 44 here in the metro, 45 this morning in the Shoals. It's 43 in Guntersville. Decatur's one of our warmer spots, hovering near 50 degrees. Everybody still needs that light jacket heading out the door, but we'll warm things up steadily as the morning goes on. The early warning radar network is quiet. We will stay dry, not just today, but for a few more days. We're completely dry through Thursday. So our forecast high today is 70, a couple degrees warmer than what we saw on Monday. But remember, our average high for this time of year is 79, so we're still about 10 degrees below average. And today will be the 12th straight day that we've had these below average temperatures, going on 2 weeks since we've seen where we're supposed to be this time of year. But we do see a nice warm up on the way by the weekend when we're back in the lower 80s. Here's a closer look at those wind gusts we were talking about. Again, this morning, not too bad, 5-10 miles per hour. But later this afternoon, look how quickly those wind speeds ramp up. Many of us will see gusts around 30 to 35 miles per hour. But the reason the wind advisory is in effect is because some of us will see those gusts get as high as 40 miles per hour, especially in the higher elevations over northeast Alabama. Make sure you anchor down those loose objects outside the house today. Fortunately, Trash Panda's game should be just fine later on this evening. First pitch is a little early tonight at 6:05. We'll be in the mid-60s around that time, but those temperatures drop quickly into the 50s by the end of the game tonight. Let's go through future radar for the next couple of days. It's all quiet, maybe a few clouds this afternoon like we talked about. Otherwise, we'll see those high temperatures near 70 degrees, and we'll do it all over again tonight and into Wednesday. Bottom temperatures in the 40s when you wake up tomorrow morning. We're back to near 70 on Wednesday afternoon. We do start to see that warm up on Thursday when we go back into the mid-70s, and we'll be in the low 80s by the weekend, but those warmer temperatures come with more unsettled weather. Friday is not a washout at all, but we'll have some spotty showers late in the day on Friday. Better chances for showers and storms will be Saturday and Sunday. Not expecting severe weather at this point, but we're still 4 days out, so that forecast could change. But as we get towards the Sunday and Monday time frame, this becomes more of a summer-like pattern where it's warm, it's humid, and we have those higher rain chances during the afternoon. No days of washout, but that highest storm coverage will be Saturday, Sunday, and lingering into early next week. So you'll need the umbrellas by the weekend. You definitely do not need them for the next few days. 70 today, 70 tomorrow. We climb back into the mid-70s on Thursday, and as we mentioned, even with that rain, we're back in the low 80s for the weekend.